Up till now, we knew Hanuman is the greatest servant, Dasa, isn't it? But today I will show you and tell you still there is a greater Dasa. Sri Aurobindo used to serve the mother. How he was waiting for the mother when she comes. One day we had usually the night meditation. It will be 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 1:45.
At night?
Night. One day, after 11, seeing the people, mother says, I am coming. Just she rested, she went into trance. It was 1:45. People all were waiting downstairs. Sri Aurobindo was waiting in his room, on his bed, ready to receive the mother from 11 o'clock. Mother is not found. Where is mother? I go and try to wake her up. Fail. No. Allowed her to remain. I go to Sri Aurobindo. I find him sitting on the bed, waiting for the mother from 11 o'clock. It is 1:45. She is in trance. Wait. Wait few minutes. Wait 5 minutes. If she doesn't get up, tell people to go home. Waited. No response from the mother. She's in trance. I go to Sri Aurobindo and tell him, she's in trance. Tell people to go home. 1:45 in the night, I go to that small window and tell Sri Aurobindo says, go home.
Which window? Where?
Huh?
Which window?
That on the staircase, the small hole.
Oh, this
there,
one.
there.
Oh.
Because I dare not to go down. I was feeling so much like that. So from there I said, Sri Aurobindo says, go home. Mother wakes up. She rushes, actually running, just after the trance. They're all waiting. Yes, mother. Sri Aurobindo asked them to go home. But food for Sri Aurobindo. Sri Aurobindo, like that, he's waiting for her all the time. She goes and gives food to Sri Aurobindo after 1:45. He was waiting from 11 o'clock, just like they're sitting, simply sitting. Yes. That is why Sri Aurobindo is the greatest Das of the mother, servitor. Equally, the mother, servitor to Sri Aurobindo. Till now, nobody is born greater than the mother as a servitor to Sri Aurobindo, to the Lord, and Sri Aurobindo to the Mother Divine, the Adi Shakti. He worshipped her. He served her. It is to that this name is given service. None of us had any idea. This whole house is of 4 different houses. One by one, purchased, hired, and joined together. Mother Sri Aurobindo was staying as you enter the house, library house. In this house, they came in 27 January.
In which year?
1927 January. That came.
And library house is that in front?
Front, that as you enter.
Prosperity.
Prosperity. Now, this was the old house. This house, old house, is broken down. New house is built up. To wash the bricks, the water required, the cement tanks were created, built up here. 1, 2, 3 tanks. That is in 1930. 3 tanks were made to wash the bricks, to build the house. House is built, the whole thing is a new house. From this place right up to the Ravindra. Like that it goes, prosperity and Ravindra. All that, it is a new house. When you don't follow, you tell me. I will try to explain. That time she said, here there was a mango tree. Mango tree was going away. She said, bring the service tree plant from the botanical garden. As Parichand today is the gardener, Manu Bhai was the gardener, his helpers were Ambu and Dyuman. Ambu is here still, Manu Bhai is gone, Dyuman is here. Plant, a thin stick was planted. Why mother is doing, we couldn't make it out. By the side, southern side of this, there was
Which year they planted?
30.
Mother herself planted it?
No, she asked us to plant.
Oh.
So these 3 were there named you.
Do you remember the date? Because I think once you told me it is so many years old.
Somewhere, but that date we don't remember. Nowhere it will be found. The house was full of cats. Cats will go on the roof, will drop the tiles, because they will fight always. And with big noise, we asked mother, why not remove this? Why not remove this? No, no. If you want, fill up these 3 tanks with sand or something. Put on the top the fern. We did that. When Sri Aurobindo left the body, she says, now listen carefully. She says, I want to keep him in the center of the house. There are 3 tanks, 1, 2, 3. The last one, western side, you keep it as it is. The first, eastern side too, make as one. Go deep down 10 feet. He put Sri Aurobindo there at the bottom. At 5 feet, put a slab. Then she speaks the prophecy for herself. If something happens to me, put me there. So accordingly, he is below, then comes mother, and on the top you go and surrender yourself to her, to Sri Aurobindo. And to that Sri Aurobindo, to that mother, we are all serving. This is the gift of the service tree. Now, if you have to ask anything, you ask. To whom this served, I explained to you, to Mother Sri Aurobindo. How both of them served each other, I told you. How the place was selected from 1930, that she knew. Though she was telling us, though Sri Aurobindo was telling us from 1920 that he will remain ever. And in 1926, 26th November, it was declared the day of immortality. Mother brought down the force of immortality. But divine grace has some other ways. He left the body, and the mother decided to keep him in the house, in the center, not outside, so that this becomes the center of the universe, and the universe comes to the Lord for the new life. And she merges in him. This is called Sri Aurobindo Samadhi. She is completely merges in him. No separation between the two.
So the tanks were here. But before you said there used to be kitchen or something.
Kitchen, the southern side. Southern side was when the ashram started. Ashram means formerly Sri Aurobindo and around him, some of his people who came from, he means not relatives, those who followed him. They were here. Then when the descent happened, 24th November 1926, they thought, Mother Sri Aurobindo thought, what we have received is a surety for the next thing, and that is supramental descent. Why not? Those are aspiring souls. We give them the facilities. Those who are the aspiring souls, remember these words. For the aspiring souls, let us give them the facilities so that they can aspire, they can go up, and something more comes down upon the earth. For that, they gave this establishment name ashram. There was no other name. And we had the kitchen here. We had the dining room here, not there. It remained from 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34. January 4th, we have shifted from here to the present building. Bolo, anything?
Where was the mango tree planted before?
Mango tree was, when we purchased the house, this house, the mango tree was here, just center of the courtyard. Where there is the coconut tree, there was the mango tree.
Cut down afterwards.
It died. As it died, we had to remove it. In the old pictures, if you get, surely his brother, he is a drawing teacher, he must have those pictures. The window, and near the window, the mango tree branch and all that.
Just to give mangoes.
No, we never received mango. Never. Never. But under the mango, nowadays you see that so many departments are there. Huh? All our departments were under the mango tree. All the lime and the bricks and the tin making workshops, all were only here in this small place. Yes.
When did you come to Pondicherry ashram?
Me came 1924. I saw Sri Aurobindo. And that time there was no arrangements like this. He asked me to go back. I told him, I am going back as you asked me, but I am coming back. For me, this is the home. Home, huh? I make the difference between the home and the ashram. Because I belong to the home. And I came in 27, when the ashram began, I came in 27, and I am here.
So you used to water it every day? The
Yes. Me, Ambu, we were two, you know Ambu? Asan. Nantai, correct. Yes. He came here, he's a very young boy. He's known as a young child. He came in 1928. So it was our gang of workers. These are all the stories of 60 years before.
The tanks were where the Samadhi is now.
1, 2, 3 tanks were there. Here the wall is removed. Here the wall is kept. Where you take the tulsi leaves, this much is separate, no? Yes, that is the third tank. 1 and 2, the wall between the removed. He left the body 5th early morning, 1 o'clock, 1:15, 26, something like that. And then the work started. 6th morning, it was ready. But 6th morning, when mother goes to him, she finds the body usually becomes black. Instead of becoming black, it began to change its color. It is becoming golden. So mother says, we are to take the body down. He went from this road in 1927, he had never come down. Let us take him down on the 6th afternoon. No, the body is becoming more luminous. 6th morning, still more luminous. 8th morning, luminous. By law, we cannot keep the body like that. So the doctor from the hospital, general hospital, was called. He had to certify that body is intact and in perfect order. 9th morning, body gave the signs and then decided to bring the body down. So 9th afternoon, the body, Sri Aurobindo body, was brought down. He went by himself, the room where he is staying, where you go, everybody, where you will go after a few days. It is only when we brought him down by the middle staircase, he came down.
Means that this room.
That staircase. Once there was the idea, here there is now too many people, too much noise. If you can give him some solitude. Mother thought of purchasing the treasure house by the next of this side of Satya, the dispensary clinic. Satyavrata, this side, treasure, that is treasure. And then he says, no, if I move, the whole world will crumble down. I don't move at all. And he remained there. So much so, no noise, no cyclone, anything will trouble him. He is engrossed, he deeply in his own way working. One day, it was a very big cyclone. Mother rushes to his room to close the windows, etc. He had no idea that cyclone is raging outside. He was working, that's all. So, he is that Sri Aurobindo. Bolo. Anything?
When you planted the service tree, the cats never disturbed it.
No, cats didn't disturb the plant. Didn't disturb. And the whole thing remained, the cats, etc., up to 45. When the war was going on, perhaps the Japanese may come and drop here the bomb, etc. Then they removed this old house.
Then this cement structure was built to hold the service tree branches.
The service tree began to grow, and then the branches went on the roof of that old house. Now we had to remove that old house. Then what to do with the branches? So this scaffolding, what we call the Sanchi railings, were created. And that was done by Samer, architect from Czechoslovakia, who came here with Remo, Nakashima, and together 3 people who built the gold con. This whole creation is his, so nicely done. And below you find square, no? Yes. Idea was, mother was coming in the evening here in the terrace.
This on top of your.
Yes, on this. She was coming and giving meditation. So each one can sit, there is a place. Her idea was to have the green around each one, but green couldn't happen, so the tables are put to mark out separately. Am I clear?
Those square blocks.
Square block. That is for each one to sit comfortably. You sit, not like this when you go to the playground. Yes.
When was this built?
Built. The whole thing concern started from 30 to 32. When this room was ready, mother came from the other room to this room in 32 April 24th.
From which room to which room?
You know the present Champaklal where he stays?
Yes.
Corner house, corner room. Mother was staying in that small room.
Oh.
Yeah. And from there, when this was ready, from there she shifted here.
When?
Huh?
24th April.
24th April 1932.
The service tree grew very fast.
Because there is all-round protection, 1, water, 2, and the mother was always looking to that. Mother responsible for its growth. So often in the cyclone weather, branches have broken. If you see carefully, so many we have cut. The cut is broken, so to make it smooth, we have to do that.
Then the roots didn't disturb the place where the body is kept?
Well, I have not gone down to see where the body is kept, so I can't say.
No, but when you
No, but
were making the
it was
holes.
made.
Oh, nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Because that time it was small, not so big as that. Of course, now it is a very big, giant tree, but that time I was say 30 to 35 years back, 38 years back now. Yes. And only 20 years. Now it is where roots are moving everywhere. I would say that it has crossed the wall of the other gone that side. Once mother was counting the flowers. The flowers, what people will offer, she will count, and in her occult way, she will multiply, divide, and like that. The number went of the flowers, million, billion, trillion, and like that, up to 18 figures. And she
used to count in this room, no?
in this room, anything will come and drop here. Go sweep and drop here. Then sweep in the big meditation hall. Then how to count the flowers of this tree? One branch was there. And on each branch there are so many earheads. And each earhead, how many flowers are there? How many birds are there? And then counted like that. And then afterward, with the guesswork multiplied, we put the figure 3 lakhs. Same way transformation is to be in plenty. Same way patience flower, the small tiny flower, we are counting.
3 lakh flowers on this service tree.
Yes, many years. That is in 47.
Still, the tree is still young.
As you find. I'll give you the picture of the service tree filled with flowers. Just now I'll give you. When it was 50 years old, it was distributed to everybody. I don't think any of you will be over here that time.
In which year? 1980.
Huh? 1950. 80.
1980.
80. You were not here.
I was here.
You were here? You must have received the picture. No, I give you. I give you. And then another thing I am happy to give you, because one day you also will become like Ratna and like me and elders. So your teacher has no idea what I think of. That is, when Mother Centenary was there, you know Centenary? You were not there. And that is because it was 10 years back, no? 78 and 88.
I was there.
You were there?
Yes.
You got it?
I was here. 79. I came in 78. I have
78, which month?
78 October.
October. So you have not got. It is only 78 February. And that what we gave, let us give something. Then it is her sister, younger one. Don't give us, they are not interested in the pictures or the anything written on the piece of paper as we distribute. Give us something which is used by the mother. We'll work. She says we will work, but give us that. Other one says, give us something of Sri Aurobindo. Well, you have that today. Do you like that? The piece of sari used by the mother. Piece of dhoti used by Sri Aurobindo. That is your grace today which comes upon you. Okay, Ratna?
Yes.
Happy?
Yes.
There is a packet. Bring.
I'll get it.
Both the packets you bring. Yes, yes, yes. Both you bring. That's sweet for you. Somebody gives. This is a piece of sari used by the mother. Here, piece of dhoti used by Sri Aurobindo. Now sit down. I give to everybody. I'll give the annual of appropriation. I always remember her younger sister for this. Only because of her, because of she, this was possible.
Why were all these colors?
Different color that shows different aspects of the divine.
Then mother had given these colors.
Yes, mother has given. And I thank Ratna to bring you all here and give me a chance to give. We call mother, but who is that mother? Was the question in 1926. To that, Sri Aurobindo answers in writing letters to the who questioned. That is called the mother. Now, that day, centenary day, they gave this also. This is written by calligraphically, not ordinarily. And afterward, this was printed.
Like Gauri.
Not Gauri. What is her name? The French. Anne's mother.
Oh, acha, acha.
Maria, she told us. She told.
The Gauri also, okay, she told, na? All right, we take it like that.
No, means Gauri they told that somebody wrote.
So they know the subject. Okay.
Because they know Gauri does this calligraphy, no? Thank you. I have got it, so I'll.
Keep it. Anything more to say? Question? All over, no? All right. Happy?
What was the age when you came to?
Me? I was 21. I wandered everywhere, wherever I came. I want to be a Himalayan monk. I went to Belur Math of Vivekananda, Ramakrishna. I went to Shantiniketan, wandered. I was destined to be here to give you all these things.